top 30 tan deal ni chiwale mark bahon khang jakina top 32 tan ki dila group A to B ki khena tu zaina group A ne na ki dinga serial number 1 up 16 tan tu zana group A ko ki dinga hi tuna serial number 1 David Go contestant number 18 ama isamni
Hello, I'm a Spain. First of all, I give just take Kazana Salam Kang Piuhi.
Okay. Hello, David.
Yes, sir.
Tu nang akala sak mo le.
Ah,
Banglanan sa dekale.
la thum limis ka body sa kay la khato I legendary la khato.
Okay. La thak tel deng mo.
Ah,
Okay. All the best oh.
ah. Zan khat kamanga hingkilang. Lung hera kop lai nei to pi. Amel hoidan gen chim siang. Amel narda ne chim siang ngeyo kange. Hingkilang zingo zan sim sirin. Zan khat kamanga hingkilang. Lung hera kop lain ei to pi. Amel hoidan gen chim siwang. Amel nardan chim siwang ngayo ka ngay hingkilang zingo jan sim sirin ngayo ikingay na kumni chingta ngayo tunikangi na mua bangin sang ay hibanga tulitan na mel kimulo mel mulo ay kingay mel mulo kahing gel zong kachimtay tulay nung aho tulay nung aho tulay nung aho tulay nung ahoy atam zo lung thiên lê mi chinh tê dòng ở đây ubin amai uva bao đời alu và thau năm tuổi thua alai tua leng na ding ding dòng ở ghé vui nung a kile la ho atam zo film star nung a hôm chan chua tho uvi hey cao xiên le bang in a chal sam atan uvi asam khau wa in ko khat puan sil zat ai tu lai nung a hoi atam zo lung tim thieng le mi ching te zong a dei uvin amai uva powder alu và thau năm tuổi thua alai tua leng na ding ding zong a ghé vui ding zong a ghé vui phải tem lối à ngay nó kỳ gộp siêu mò. Thank you.
Judge Stella Mapatin comedy na ngai heding
David tunita ka lalasak he amasa lasak to kate tua ma kate toile amasa sangkan ne khat improve dewin kaung he amasa ka la nervous deuzik hamle chu ke pol la o ke thinga tunta he akithinga tom dewa jichon mabana jisanga he la o nervous open kha lo thele doi ma zinga ma adang chu gendan kating loiten ahung gen utole ma
Vin na confident kong style vote abula napat na ako nung 1970s sim na vele a music all la pa yin mga spoken da na ong pai mo ung sulung liang ma che
Thank you, sir.
hubana i nagitar khu 5 to 6คุณนัตุมโลมองมั้ง1 to 4ตันคุณนัตุมมั้งไอ้เราเลย
ฮะ
string number 5 to 6คุณนัตุมโลมองมั้ง
กระตุ้มโลหมอ
โอเคแล้วก็ musician พอมาเราต้องการนับไว้ยังเช่นมั้ง sound กิ่งดีสิเนี่ยจะเลยใกล้ก็เงียบเลย5 to 6คุณนัตุมโลจะเขามั้งอาจีเลยตุลายนึงอ่ะโอ้ยก็ใส่ใจเลยสัตว์
จีมีจังขลัม
อาจีเลยน่าสามารถสับเป็นเขาก็ใส่เลย
กษัตริย์เป็นไก่มาฟัวไก่มาสะจานเขิดกำมังไงไก่มาฟัวไก่มาสะ
น้าบอกจะอันลิกน้องแป๊ดไก่เตยเดียว
โอเค
โอเคไป
ตุน่าอาบานาจิงินะ contestant number 31 ทางสวนกุยเตยสมัย
อันหินมาติมอzala manala ma kha on hil tu om lo nang le nang lam chi chena ma le tua on lam dik non ma le nang kwan hila
เก่งเกต
nang le nang hi mai mo okay nang kha ko na pak tama ma hoi taken perform no hoi taken lamin okay all the best
Break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, get it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, read it, write it, type it, save it, burn it, burn it, like it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, feel it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, suck it, find it, code it, find it, code, lock it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, suck it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code and lock it, surf, 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 surf.
ตุน่าจะสเตลมาปานินะคอมเมดี้นังไงแค่ดี
swan na lam siam mama amuna nan kisil tom ahia
เกตเจล
na kisil zana chon perform nei vai mala okay non kitom lekha on supur loin chin nang kha kiu jama china phurwai mama mo ki pawai mama just dang tia ki patin ngai khani yo
Wow, hello Swan.
ใช่
Nom na sanam. Nom na saya. Al achile bol na saya le.
เฮโล
Bol hoy. Tu chunga na lam hi kon na hilham. Kwan hon hilale. Tu ni na lam pen.
เกนโมเกตเจล
Enzel mo. Kizillo mo le.
มีหลามของเงินเจล
Mi lam kon al achile lam ner pen to na nga pen na kibang ya le. Kibang mo. Oh. Okay. Atile koy man na hilaw na le. Kwa man hilawa nang bosi na kizil na le. Phai phai na lam na ka dei pen choy I really like your confidence confidence hoy mama zingen chule na enjoy dan chun ki hojong enjoy sa ovin chule contestant dang hokom maka sai nom cho hile enjoy as much as thangswan guite di okay stage songa nong lam tiang ule be very confident and enjoy as much as he did ale na bol hoye and good luck okay
yes sir
now dia na lam tampi kan en tai le alaเป็นนังสักตักมาบังไงเว้สัจเจ็ดจนะมั้งไมโครโฟนล้มโลala laลงยิงนังโอโดจานังไอตัวมั้งเนี่ยยัลมอนตัวมั้งนักคอนฟีมานังต้มว่าสเตียสบังกิจิมเขาโดจิบังเลี้ยนลาวเสียมึงอากูค่ะ นี่ดังนั่งตัวมีลามนักกิจเจลนี่เฮียตัวปนักกูอยากอมติงติงนักนั่งลามนักกิจตัดดีกี่หัว
Thank you thang swana tu na lamana tu sakno nin lan tu na abana dingina Alex Laram Chulloy contestant number 9 ama talen nei bang perform din sama hi
Alex
Ồ,
Joy to me
hello.
lấy lâu à wow anh ấy chọn ya view don này chăng thằng đó win iron te don nè ít thấy top ít cho don nè
Ole.
lẹ
Bitch, I'm outside of blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted. Swagged out, familiar, we bring it. No, I'm back out. Smoking the Zaza. They go straight to the Mata. Up in the chopper. Rocket in the cha-cha.
I hope you understand English, right?
Yes.
Oh, you do. Okay, that's great. I don't know why, but it felt so short.
Grabe.
Okay, well, what was the duration of the music?
Second somli pa ko.
Oh, second som lit pa kwa mo. Mizo pa ke lai khol he zing. Okay, mama zingen and ana sao zip lewang hoi che in te na. Ai pipi chule na lam jo hoin confidence zong hoin akit phat lewang if you go through this round then please make it a little bit longer, okay? Otherwise you the confidence, the energy and everything was I should say was really good. Good luck.
Ngatingi voi ni iron lama ama saber ka anga afu le mi
Kasada.
ha ama saber ka mo iti zo to mo voi ka iron tilia mo
Oh.
kha ama saber ka idit lo mi idu lo mi
Du thau e.
mai ro chu apan ina kha athazok tro
Ani yemo ka lo me. Oh.
hemi round hi itru ni chon mo a next round na itru pale ni chon a next round na voi khat fu de ati turin
Oh.
pero okay
Alex
Oh.
nang ma cho Venezuela me
Oh.
coach te ini ve lo me ini lo mo
Oh, YouTube pa ke ito pa.
truck hop mai iti truck hop mai ma se ale a chon cho ron ni ngai to ro
Ale.
ale
tuna abana dingina contestant number 40 thang chwai lo isama hi
Hello, Thang Choi Lo. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, are you well prepared?
Not really.
Not really. Why?
Because I know that I was selected at the last moment.
Can you put the mic a little bit
Oh.
closer? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So you did not prepare well this time, right? Okay, then that's still good. But like, if you're a professional and if you're really good, then you don't have to prepare much, right? So I really believe in you. And what are you going to perform for us today?
Yeah, I'll be singing the Never Enough by Boys Avenue version.
Oh, okay then. Never Enough
Yes,
from the movie that I forgot. Huh?
Soulman, the greatest song.
Oh, The Greatest Showman. I really love that movie, and I think yesterday evening I was listening to that song,
Oh, yeah.
and today you're singing this song, and I'm really very excited, and I wish you the very best. Good luck.
Thank you so. I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hands, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the signs of thousand spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Tears of gold is still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the signs, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Tears of gold still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never. For me. Thank you.
Tuna judge stela ma panina komedi na ngai khedi.
Aki ka na download na ki mo a track
Sorry?
na soundtrack ka mo karaoke download tiro kaka aki ka irole anin mil jelon ka siya ka ay kan enge semiton panivel klase mo kaka chuanin abulat changkhan enge piano ron kalania tang 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 khati zo cha khan bit metronome pakhat akal ngala mo khamon changkhan metronome ka isyam turania kaka kar changin music in aron khela kar changin nang ron khela ma se ala sakhan inang in durong tak khan in zo thiamo allo mom lutok o
Again, na thi siam kele host no heutunu kia anakanin lam amanu explain dia. La sahi mi ding kang idana mo. Timing a beating a bit zui siam kha poi mo mama kasa hoi bana nakizil hoi lodan ka koi khol kia ahia nakizil naki prepare hoi thoya
Prepare man lo.
wai kha chiang simin jin mo lekidem na teli chianga ahidan dana kon cha sungai janan thei siam kon gingena beating a bit kha zui siam ngai la sadihim ma wai ki jok kizil hoi di chehi na o chu sia ka sakei ka ki pa ka
Hello. zai tur chuan vocal layer le thil che sang sang kha hret ve kha angai luduk katia ke chon chuwang chon izai kha ilasa kha kangai thla thadeben uluk deben kangai thla tha katina chungin englo i layer mandan mo smoke layer ka uar luduk nge katia layer number 1 2 3 deep layer ti de aum ve chuwang chon layer number 1 ate 2 ate 3 ate ka zai thevik ani na chungin i vocal style ka mo smoke layer handi chu handi de wa thok hang la ka zai te ka i ur de ba ma se tha ka ti ve tho ka lo me
tuna abana contestant te sabmai na pu convenor pu siliana ma hunla dini sammasadi
Tribals Got Talent tu ni tan pha i pai to thei zela akipa hoya Got Talent kha khovel mun tuam to ma ana om tham ta i mu chia din ka ging ta te khinadina America's Got Talent Britain Got Talent chi te hong tam tak ana oma en kha ya Tribals Got Talent chi kha isaya entertainment chi in kha gamgi anei kia kwama khen tuam chi le kwanga leng khen tuam lo a hoi taka ki pai pi hina zen pi na mi khen khatina i tribal lungsim putzia kulenga hidinga zan halni tak audition round second round a hiya iten khompi manipura iten pi mei te na hong perform mule kha anangai zat thada ana zathada tam tak awmwa he khapoya kisama ma maya he yu nau pi iten khopi manipura iten khopi mei te na he muna Tribals Got Talent a hong pangjia ko kha amau te na st demand hong anei teu hong lo chingto di chi hong kha akal bi dia appoint dia inagin tang na pe nu kha nuam mo akisama ma maya ST demand jaka he Tribals Got Talent a telin ST demand adia a valid point khata pang mok di chi chu i nui za thoi pi le mai the hi hoi jakina ilung simu zau sakina he i khang no ti hong ki demwa manipura a pen pen hi na dia ikidem pi the sun chu iten khopi mei te te dia hi mei te tunga iom zo lekha manipura atungnung pen ki pan dia hi hoi jakina Tribals Got Talent chi chang nang le kia hiya 80 hiya hiya lamka teng kol le vai te bang le hong perform le le apoi nam lo hi tuna America's Got Talent tan banga abatel thei di omina vatelina waitena America citizenship wa Tribals Got Talent ai kile America's Got Talent abatel jaguna citizenship non piak di we chile bangai dan anei diwa le nuiza thwai pi swak de mo wa patel jaka citizenship mu mok lo di wai jaka Tribals Got Talent na mei ti tiong tel jaka kha ST demand pe nu lo ching di chi na thu om din le ka ging tatuan ki wa bai sai tu te noi jakina poya kisa ithukap khiak te social media i the jak te jakina amau ten leng hoi te ana en kha hingei diwa mau le ki swang la ma wa nuama sakiwa hong tel non lo di tana hon gen uahi manina ko leng zanina meeting hoi taka neina amau to ki thei siam to takina amau te tunia tel sak non lo i hia ilung sim neu zia kwa mi kha ki hin khia in tuna Tribals Got Talent hiai bang kha abul pan pani hia pai zom to zelina tu nung chang ina India state tuam te lunglut thi namun suakhen la hiai muna hiai atel dina state tuam pan bangina mi hong pai khom le wai kha alo chin na khat hong hi di tuna lamka kan lo lamka khosunga mi te ma ikidem dem le kwa badem phaban di hoi jaga mi to ikidem the ina dia ikinai pi pen mấy tỷ tỷ lên hay tribal cái tên là hong tel thì vậy amau te dem zo dia ấy tỷ na cái sắc điều vậy khai mộ bùa khi lấy vậy giờ cái na vậy đi na pan lai na ilung sim neo na te ko ikhai na Himalaya section khat section neo chỉ na ide ilo pen tu ni na organizer in leng mi te lung sim nat di ấy te loi lung sim nat di ihwal na jaga kha amau te hong tel non lo hoi isak jaga kha i tribals got talena kitel sang non lo ahia to chu tribal tengen kidem di ma ahia Himalaya itu penbel pai zom to zel di bang hi le ikidem pi thei ding iten khompi Manipura dia iten khompi mei te bang ai ke le vai te bang ai ke le atuam tuam teong tel thi hen la ya kidemina amau te to ki compete to le wa kha isiam na dik tak hongdok pandi amau te dem ngam dia ikisak di chi kha ikhang thak te ikhang no te ihan thonu na je ka leng hiayon ki bola hi chi kha ko pi mai non thei pi dingwa aki sai main leng hun sot pi tak sai ding hi chi aki gen line leng e hiai bang sai ding na hi le hiai bang in hi vewa hu chi vewa chia suggestions bang yam hon pe le hi tuan lowa tu akhonunga hiai bang athil hong ki gen pen kha kipuna ma maya Himalaya no te lungsim nading ko leng de lo kai manwa toy ten khompi mei te te e ki khol sak maya hi amau leng holding alim hon sak pi wa hi chi kha ko pi ma kenga i thupuan yen la hei ting na kiyun ka zodi ki pa ke
Thank you convener pu mi pi te na athugen i thei siam cha du kalamena hi tuna abana ding ina contestant isamnu ama Joseph Samte contestant number 38 ama tale nei bang perform din sama hi
Joseph Mike vào mấy boy nó mới cái cái dharna không bol som nó chi ngà poster không tao nung pot khác lệ cái to po hen chỉ không cái som đó cho nó chỉ sim cái vậy bang ale nó perform được khá
dunia kha kon perform di alam mina kon kit hodia contemporary to b-boying to popping comics to mai
okay nó cái sắc nó sáng hỏi rồi đi nên perform là chân ole
ki pa hoi ma mai
okay all the best
lùi ngái lâu lâu nếu sen khăn khua ngái lâu lâu lùi ghé la lùi lâu lâu lùi hè lên xin lại loạn hi loạn nghe sunni tu min mùi hoa hình gì lại lắng nghe sen nào bằng lại dàn của gió in mai mình có xin thấy lâu tay khúc và đông những dòng chân nằm hình ghẹo tình bao khúc gió là những càng ấy lên là cái hình hoa hình cao đó trên núi ô khô khen tung lên là hình lên vàng anh có yên kiến nam hình phong vàng
judge tela ma pata comment ma le inangai heading.
Hey man.
Hi.
Mas penin ai la nong lam zin ki pa thu kan sin katina chu e ho tribal la na chule chita bang la chu hita chu kilam thei de lam chu as a dancer ke jong ko boi tho he na ke jong le nangin amana he chu ken ke lo chita bang la chu choreography nal ta na hin siam chu nal ka sain chule I was really amazed chule nang hat na pen hi your energy na energy wang chu wow it's really extraordinary I have to say na energy hoi mama zingin and I think there was a fabulous performance.
Thank you.
And a very dance style tampita na hin mixin na there is a plus point for me.
Music tengah lam the hi any music lam the hi chi nang apa na non so ja ken na tong ki pa thu ya na mo
pa goi
azia chu leng khop la le hip hop le lam the ve yut le contemporary hi the ve mo wa ja ken na I thil tampi ong kisin banga promote dancer promising dancer tia dia thil hoi tak maban vision hoi tak non ko non so ja ken mo kan piak thei dong kong nan koi na tol jong pai suk di ya tui kon pe mai di
Thank you.
Yai kon piak le chu bang za kha ge lam chi chu lung se mana an ne thei le chen.
Hello. Lom te yen te kha dik ka sakom komina ken nuam sa kai de tom kana salwa mom ki pan dek pan ka sak le be mo ka na kha amu anopa mabana nan thu te ngi le he saneng kha saw te ma on bol din kon de mama pa ke
ki pa ke
Abana dingina contestant number 30 thang kim lo isama hi
Kim lo bang long ball de le bang long so de le
dancing
ma ale dancing hong ball ding la hile ti tak na to hong ball en lang hong bang phale.
Thank you.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now.
Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of there, even if it takes all night. Oh, 100 years, need a place to hide, but I can't find one there. Wanna feel alive outside. I can't find nothing.
Isn't it lovely?
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you, baby. Lead up, got me thinking, babe. Tell me if you with it, 'cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Trip to your crib in the middle of the night. I don't let you miss me as I put it down right now, babe. I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh, babe. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy.
The girl next door, you know.
Honey, give me that she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, hanging on the.
I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone. phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor.
Tuna just tell ama panina comedy na ngai khedi.
TK. Yes. Wow, man. Nong kizil hai nam tu ni. Nong kizil hai lo. Acha. Kizil hai lo wa lam ko za na thiam man na. Aziom poyo respect na lam ho chu. Beta nang ka vet tiang hele. Your moves are so smooth. Na thil bolo chu abai bishit pon na. Isong le nang lam tiang hele. It is a really a joy to watch. Chule na lam tiang hele effortless ta na lam zin na. That is called professionalism na. Kain pachat momong na hiin. Na lam adang ho wang chu kalung ala bishit point abula na lam pen chu. Ipitre lamin chu.
Lovely.
Lovely. Chila na lam chun kana emotional manin na. Lam kiti hi imo lam lama ki chai point na. Kipa na la ilama hile. Kipa na pa chu mi ho bet sa ding mi ho kipa sa ding ti chu e ma dancer ho e ma hin na. Chule langwi set song ai lam tiang ai le chun hi chi set song awards pa chu action na i hon ipu do ding mo hin na. Ji pen chu a first na lam pen a chun kamuin la a music angwi nang jong na lam tin nangwi na cha chun kalung hi ke jong kan nangwi manen ki mo ka ha la ki lom jing in na. Next expression hoi ma jing and I wish you the very best for the upcoming rounds as well.
Thank you.
La to ta. You say them. Kala pakat akong ka ilam ka mo. Ingkat mo. Handwriting ni sin chu ilam dan ka chu afu la capital letter wong ani ka. Afu tolo.
Hello me.
A music le, a beat le, chun step ka anon atluk na din kan atluk charchara mo. Afu tolo. Chun wasn't me. Alai kan la pakat omma. Khang chi kha next round it chu chun chu khang chi kha chang it.
Ale.
Idek fu tolo.
Hello me.
Lo mama.
Tu ni ai chief guest su khan vai pei CEO chikim group ama stage saman pai to sakdina kange na hi. Hon pia khyak sakding ina heu tu pa gen thian son ko convener amai samahi. Tribals Got Talent 2021, Enhancing Culture Through Arts Memento. This memento is presented to Sri Khan Vaipei, CEO, Chikim Group, in appreciation and gratitude for gracing Tribals Got Talent as a chief guest. James Thangloy, Chairman, Zofida. C. Lian Langel, Convener, Film Festival Committee, organized by Zofida.
So, first of all, good morning. Good morning. You know why I say good morning? I will use English to accommodate the Mizo also, because I can't speak any single Mizo. So I just use English mostly. First of all, I would like to say, thank you. It's okay, it's okay. Lomba. Okay, I thank him so much. Most of you will be wondering what is Chikim Group. Alagial Methil, mo Chikim Group. Mi pila kahi kukuhin Chikim Group hi khawe lakut baktung timu. Chikim Group ala khate session khut baktung timu la. Mak de la mila mo. Okay, thank you so much. Chikim Group tehin kathil bol hiya hilmo. In conjunction with these kinds of show, which we are doing it right now, we are trying to accumulate all the talents of Churachandpur. Can I have some silence, please? Can I have some silence, please? Please maintain silence, please. I demand discipline. I demand discipline among the public. Emite function involving public indiscipline. I don't like it. Please maintain silence. Please. Emite himo, see. I'll speak very, very frank. We say tribal got talent. So please don't show your tribal nature here. First. Lam kasunga function involving le mipite aval thai bangjek. Lam kasunga bangjek ka pisum lo mipite jek adikam. Ele who are the public? We are the public. We are the public. Ma. Hey public here you. You now our Bridan Meitei can have Tabanchongba at night. But why can't we have function at night? Because we are so wild still. If you check what Chikims are doing, we take talents from the local. We try to promote positivity in the society. Okay. Pale Chikim Tehi, we are an upcoming company. We are dealing with real estate business in Munkarbar Kabolo. We have travel agency. We have talent search competitions. And in the near future, we are going to organize this kind of program. We are going to have Chikim Got Talent. Not tribal, we are going to have Chikim Got Talent by next year if possible. Okay? As well, lastly, I would like to appreciate the organizing committee here, because I was telling my staff that if I'm given the chance to do these things, I will never do if I'm to pay 10,000 per night also. Because jitigola function bogiti hi hak sadai kha. Thok tam tak sian ngayin tin, sum tam tak sian ngayin tin, tha tam pi sian hungai mo. Plus emi lak chu he sa he ngai chu. We still lack social ethic. Social chan euhin kiwat ma manalai chu emi te. Our brethren, like the Mizos, they are somewhat ahead of us. Helale emi te like mostly from Manipur tribals and Tripura tribals, Assam tribals, like we the zone na tlak they say no. We lack social ethics so far. In spite of all the challenges, if they can do these things, I give them my thumbs up to the organizing committee. This is a very, very hard, labor-demanding job. And lastly, I would like to encourage the judge to be more frank. I find you guys very, very soft. You guys are very, very soft. No, can soft. I want you guys to be very, very blunt. Because the first guy who came and sing here, I feel like he should sing more from his lungs. But the voice, he has the talent, but then he can't sing more. I want you guys to say it out very, very frankly. Like, if I were just okay, I'll be just like that Simon of American Got Talent. I will never appreciate anyone. I will say, you can do it more, you can do it more. Last but not the least, while saying that we can do it more, in Chikim, we always focus on the best of the things that one person can give out. If you dance, give your best. If you sing, give your best. If you do business, give your best. Don't play around. After all, life is only one chance. We have only one chance, one life. Give your best. And suppose, if you come as an audience, be very, very good audience. Be attentive. Try to learn how you can get it from the program. Fine. And to all the contestants, I would like to give one advice. All the best to the upcoming contest. There are some young people here. One more point I would like to add. Please make sure that you use your life very, very well, okay? To the young people who sit here. We have only one life. Never waste this life. And just like we have this talent show, life is a process of elimination. After Saturday, there will be only top 3. Just likewise, in life, we are always competing with each other. The day you sleep is the day somebody is going to take your place. Okay? Okay, finally, all the best to all the contestants. Meanwhile, please, Nunzil, bring the envelope, please. Expressing my satisfaction to the organizing committee, even though the program is not up to the basic level, still they are giving their best. So I'm very, very thankful to them, and I'd like to encourage them also. While saying this, to encourage the organizer, I'd like to hand over some envelope. Anybody who is going to come here? No, on the way. It's okay. Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. God bless you.
Okay. That was my token of appreciation. So in future, I would like to encourage them that when you are to do this Zofida First Film Festival, please do contact us always, because we are always there to encourage the young talent. Thank you very much.
Bukan vai pay tuman patak on gen sangzakina ma tunga ki patu ka gena tuna abana contestant te samai na I tunia chief judge han pangsak heu tu pa muana hangzo ama lasadina ma isama hi
Zukha ahipoi Sempen zong hilo Ram zong hilo Whiskey zong hilo Vodka zong hilo Chu thing lang pa zuzupi zuningan thomle madhua he nhưng bây giờ phải là bạc bồ thì mấy thế mọi em bạc giọt thì mấy thế bạc hào chứ hipon champagne zong hilo rum zong hilo whiskey zong hilo vodka zong hilo hitsu ting lang pa susupi suning ang thomle madhua he phur đi đâu đi hey sakol kakalay alek hey gwa umsuang ilanu karek sohi sakol kakalay alek hey gwa umsuang ilanu Somun karek song sumahim Bahara tom tata lagahim Somun karek song sumahim Karek song Karek sohi Sakal kakalan Alek hey gwa Umsuang ilanu Umsuang ilanu Umsuang ilanu Esikya Salihaba Illegai Mere zaz
zogo mutsidur Pariyadu Abutana Pasitu Tu me vi Tera ra hone laga Me tera ra Tu me vi hone lagi Siye हुए मगर नहीं मुझे ना तुझको कोई खबर तेरे पास अब जाने की बस तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी Thank you.
How to pan la siam takan sak jakin atunga ki pathui ge na hi tuna abana dingina thangmin lal vai pay contestant number 1 na mai sama hi
Hello, Thangmin Lal.
Hello, sir.
Nong kisa hoy nam? Prepare well.
Yeah.
Prepare well na?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Ale tu ni ipina perform di hamle?
La.
Lam na? Las na le?
Song.
Oh, ipila?
Mizola.
Alamin la?
Cross Kong.
Huh?
Cross Kong.
Oh, cross Kong na? Kona sa aham?
Robert Laldu.
Kati. So, ale ko hiya na. Akit pale hoy tin kimel chin lang apoy apoy mo hiya na. Amo ko ma permission kila ki sahilo hi si achu amin ho be chu head pi ngai chu kito phatle. Ale IPP chi tale kaya dinga ka first time dinga hin hoy tin saw na le. Good luck.
Come, let's
Thank you.
Thank you, Minlal. Minlal nervous ya?
Nervous too.
Tu na judge dia lama pa ni na comment na ngai khiti.
Milal?
Huh?
Drop a last line was there. Drop tungin.
Drop tungin.
Continue.
Drop tungin. Cross kong kazot sela.
Okay. At ile across ka bang zava yung ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, repeat na to nga eh. Live mo. Tak lain kan live na sakti na mo. Competition ay je kan neo khat hung modified de ule jan alas na level ka mat padim kati je. Cross kong cross top swing cross kazui zela. Tinan de mo. Net mo gyan nan chu. Ang ngi ka kingai ngai chu. Nó hỏi
Thank you, sir.
Nó hỏi tôi nói chẹp luôn một nó bol bồi tị lẽ kia mò nó hỏi mà hin next round là true lẽ mò ai thì ai lẽ if you true next round elimination round này hita toàn là lá khăn néo khát chụp competition elimination round là điên simple điều hi tough điều sao okay
tua heu tu pa gen kha kon gen deng mai kon gen pe lab zik lia ala pen kha kele simple kana sa mo zalama nan sak ma sak pen kha hoi kana sa hoi dan dan type tin sa theile chin chu e na siam nan kilang di tua kha i abul tung lam ting nal ki sai ni le i wong na diam lo na thei siam chon yon ki bang to den mo hele asiam lo chu na hi ke ya hele la i na siam na di khat hon tel kha ma ma le te hoi ma ma di hai banga i la hoi non tel theile chu number 1 chu khatna le lak thi na chance na haw ma ma hi ba hoi
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Minlal. Natut na laman natut sangno nilan. Tu na ba na contestant number 15 Jennifer ngai nun siya mi samdi.
Lam di mo le
Ha.
tun chu non ki hoi ki zil deu ta ya le na ki muang deu ta ya na siam na tingon soi no le all the best.
Make it out west, slang it out west. Go metallic knife, I can shake it out west.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. 미친 듯한 속도 in my life, rah. 너무 빨라, 너는 bigger, wanna damn it. 그냥 치름, millies, 매일 버릇. 한여름 손목에 얼음. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you fly, but where you be? Some Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa, needs an ice cream and a treat. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you fly, but where you be? Some Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa, needs an ice cream and a treat. Big bag bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back, and all these bitches fuck. It's big bags bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, Birkin back, party back, and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, exactly why you light me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile and be.
Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life? I get like this every time. On these days it feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary.
Hello, Jennifer.
Yes, sir.
Khát về hông nuôi đô. Vậy ta chỉ có. Gia nên cái gì ta sẽ là nó làm tiếng ai là nuôi gì đó. Gì cho nó làm tiếng ai là mi na mi thum làm giống lệ khát ô cho thêm cho giống lệ khun na. ทีมซงเละขัดที่อันนุยอะอันดังหัวจะทีมโจจะอันนุยหรือว่าเฮเละอันนุยเป็นจะเก็บเตะเตะจ้ะ because when you watch มีลามห้อยเวทีไงเลยคุณทางเปียอันไม่กี่เวทจ้ะที่ใจนั่นลามเตียงไงเลย expression หอยตาหน้าบอลไงตุนยาหัวบังเจอหน้าหนุยไงจ้ะเลยตุนนี่นั่นลามจูคนในลาม Is it from YouTube or is it anybody teach you?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube na. See. Injo analama chu. Nalama chu. Injo langa nang masanga analam tiket to chun. Nanga analam khat ki bangkit ta chu. Jo ja chu na nalam tiang vai le lam tha ko ima chat amu kha be set lo ding lam mo hi na ball ji du chu. Akomon ho na ball be set lo diu azi chu hung ki bang ka thei chu. Jia no na chapang na layo here you have so much time na jia na lam na kizil tiang wa hele try to learn something new okay
Yes, sir.
akomon ho na bolo di kiti na hai akomon chele I think most of us will already have seen that dance na jia abana na kay kha banga hele please focus more on your expression and learn something new okay
Yes, sir.
and execution iti tiang hele lam akichai na pen chu tu chunga na lam ma chu ki ho ka het man lo cho akichai lo mong ke lo na akichai na pa hi likes do something post tamang kat bolin lang na chu teng le chen mi han khodan be de cho ja chu akichai na hi hoita na focus ding okay good luck and
Thank you, sir.
well done
Contestant number 33, Akira Samahi.
I get it lit, I get it hot. Just ask the real niggas on my block. She wanna dance, well I got the moves. I'm looking like Michael Jackson in these shoes. I got a couple hoes I've been loving on, but that shit don't mean nothing to me. I got a couple blunts I've been rolling up just to keep me some company. I get it lit, I get it hot. Just ask the real niggas on my block. She wanna dance, well I got the moves. I'm looking like Michael Jackson in these shoes. I got a couple hoes I've been loving on, but that shit don't mean nothing to me. I got a couple blunts I've been rolling up just to keep me some company. She like my dance moves. Guess I'm the man, she took to a fan. Now we making fast moves. Looking for love, but it never lasts. I guess it's casual. Hands in my pants, she looking for bands. It's something that's brand new. Told her watch what that bad do. Cause it can get litty when I'm in my city. You know it's my phone, you pay me out. I need a biddy to show me some titties. The real definition of hanging out. Maybe some kitty, cause I'm really pretty. But I know you shine when the gang around.
Them hits don't make no sense.
I got your girl on panic. Iced out my wrist Titanic. Like 2-1, I'm on my savage. No airport, but claim my baggage. I'm on the run, I'm on the run. Yo, gon' choose, I'm on the The boy and the man, I'm all in one. But I used to be the one that caught the bus on the red light. I don't need transit, only crew, no friends. When you see me, that shit. They ain't even like me last year. Now they know my face, China on the base, we be in the place. Them like the K.City. They watch me like I'm on TV. Brought this shit back, but I ain't got receipt. Coking up Bobby Flay when I'm on this beat. They got me in a bad place. Might crash the whip in the highway. All about my cheese, it's a bad race. If you win it first, you in last place. They got me in a bad place. Might crash the whip in the highway. All about my cheese, it's a bad race. If you win it.
ta chu akichai na chu ke thiam je phei piti dana was it because of technical or is it really the end
It's the end, but I think there's something missing.
yeah it was fate artisanal eh oh okay by the way let's carry on na chilang zong a boys ab khain tin na ai bi chele nang na lel dei tan lam tha ken ni ti lesson na okay let me start with the good point I love your dress na lam to chun na dress ki tu in ne thim na chna tha du pau
Yes.
okay na lam dan do chun na dress ki tu in chi pen chu it's na lam tingal avet nalin na chule you got that swag man na lam
Thank you,
tingal
sir.
anala anal chu swag na nei na
Thank you.
ti chu hin chule khatlanga like negative point dikit yang ahile I feel like you can do more than this okay til khat dong nge nong ki prepare hoinam prepare ning phat na nei nam le
No.
nei lo
Yes.
okay nong ki prepare dan them khat in share ti tu chunga ding ai
Tuchunga ding I actually I was not even added to the group and I don't know that I'll be performing tonight.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, and I got the news only around 4:45 this evening.
Oh, that's sad, man. I think the organizers have to work out something na. Sila chunga jo abana mistake tho tabang chum na lo tinga na. Anyway, kizil lo hi la hong lam ding in bang na thim mong mong e. But kit phatle if you happen to go through execution nong hai se in lang na ake chai na pa jong su not like this anymore. So le add some more energetic moves. Na spek na chun energy hong ki thol an la nal ding hin na. Beat ho jam boom boom ta man the din khonung ki gong le chen na. Okay, otherwise well done.
Hello. Ang lo mo. Oh. Inuit prepare lo tiro.
Oh.
Kaka soy lo ni asyat te. Asan ching alas la mami ka i-compose chok to ni ka. Ilam ka.
Yeah.
Mo.
Oh.
Iron nui zela kakan inon ram zela adik zela inui zela ilam zela kaka. Katiang ka facial expression ka mip crowd ho mo. Siat tir lo turkan next time itu jan oh.
Okay,
Compose po ni siya cat Ti cat tur oh.
Oh, thank you.
Tuna abana dingina contestant number 32 Vin Simte amai samai.
Non ki ging hoi na ya.
Hong gen mei taleng tu ni da guba hong ki hil panin chin mo. Ke zong ana ki ging lo.
Bang jidan da go ka ki hil kha.
Tu ni taglam da gubang ki hil pan.
Oh, ta ki dem na tel di pen.
Azo lately selected ti hinga bo ai jak.
Oh,
Hu lyrics et koma hong sadi.
Oh, boy poi ki ya bang teng hile. Nasiam nan soin la mo. Na o hoi nak le chu. Hoi mai di heu tu pa umon legend di nei hin te.
Vin ken zong natel lelam kana thelo kicking low ta kong mo vele.
Kiong nong ni lam thei sige.
Chỉ là thầy lâu to năng dùng nắm mạc đi nung bò lên là cái dùng biết đi đa nên thì hùng đã rất nên mò bằng lắm ông làm xong nó bằng nó ấy rồi là Bible tàng kiện xong nó chỉ dùng cái thầy này rồi vậy lá sa đi mò bò lên.
Sometimes I lay under the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I'm here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it will all turn around. 'Cause all my life I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, that we'll know war, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, oh, 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 oh. One day, one day, one day, oh, 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 oh. It's not about a win or lose. We all lose when they feed on the source of innocence. Boundaries for the man. Keep on moving, the water is regained. Oh, 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 oh. Sometimes I lay under the moon, I thank God I'm breathing, and then I pray, don't take me soon, 'Cause I'm here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity's around, I know someday it will all turn around. 'Cause all my life I've been praying for all the people will say that we don't wanna fight no more. They will fight a war and the children will play. Yeah. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you.
Nó mới bạo bạo mày. As. Toàn nó sao cô? As pele dòng địa về.
Phải.
Cái chàng ta lo thu. Bài hát thì là chân mà. À rồi nó cái xã nó hôn khu anh à hôn ông giờ là chỗ ở đàn ông đi hả mà. Thì là dòng bằng à. À bấy mà bên khu. Cái nói tên mà bằng chứng bên cái thế gì à cái nó có bên cái bên dâu tao mà. Nó hôn cái xã nó hôn cái này gì chỉ lâu anh nó hôn nong lụa tê tê có thu pi tao lụa
cái bài nghe
pang tawang lạ mà hồ có thu pi tao lụa riêng nó thay cái gì ngại mấy thế về nó xã nó khi chả nó xẻo nó cái thế lâu vậy là
contestant number 26 thằng Sian niệm ama ta lên này bằng perform thì nama kasama hi.
Okay, Neil, are you prepared well?
Yes.
So, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the dance style you're going to perform tonight?
TikTok dance.
Oh, 3 styles, right? That's great. Okay then, you're prepared well, so I'm hoping to see some amazing moves. Good luck and enjoy the stage.
Thank you, sir.
No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shot we go longer than a ladder. Them no fit talk but they real done dada. Put body in a pot, them a bun like grabber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need armor. 16 shot we go shut her in the bladder. You gotta be better than a King Stony. This my mother, then your skin start bleed. So don't bother mess with my mommy, with my mommy, with my mommy. If I take your bad, say you better than she. If the gaga bark long time, them don't eat. Rap on, pop off, make you move like freak. They say them a gangster, but so is mommy. They gon' put hands on the chick. They gon' put hands on the. Eyes watching when I'm coming through the door. What I'ma do, they ain't prepared for. I know that's right.
You did a great job, and I couldn't expect it more. No, you did great. First of all, I think I have already told you, but once again, your moves were so clean. You said you were 11, right? Oh, for an 11 girl, your moves, your expression were so good. And I believe you'll become a very good star someday, so keep it up. And next time, please smile more, man. Smile more, okay? I want to see your smile. And keep it up. I liked it.
Thank you, sir.
Siam na liệu cha boy.
Keep back.
Wow, nói với dance school không tiểu nào này nhá.
We Dance Academy.
Ao hay bé cái gì? We Dance Satel din. Chú Siam nãy điệu lâu này về. Nông Siam về về đi chú mò. Nông tiêu dòng giả mò. Adon chamo next round na true le mo. Nalam namun a step te khaning chik lalian zek zekin la mo. Stage ka nang perform songa stage tung ting ting na ngai ve. Na area cover khan niaw lwa sulian zekin ole ki pa ke.
Contestant number 14 Racy Kim Nei Doi amai samahi.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Bangla long sadi leti chulela la hung sading lahem bangan tu hi long bolding hi ama sakala lang sakahi mo tu hi lela long sakit de chamo nal deule maybe choklim theding na sa takenung kisan lang hongwang pha ole
I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set over dreams in me, getting loud now. Can't you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, oh, the shine of 1,000 spotlights, oh, the star we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Down the bowl. This hand could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never.
nagim zendi mo resi.
Resi.
Yes, sir.
I'll never let you down for the second round.
Kaden. Goosebumps. As yung poy. Rosie Kim Nay Doy.
Resi Kim Nay Dai, sir.
Rosie lo na. Resi ham, Resi na le.
Resi, yes.
Okay. Taka na siping
Ole.
It's a competition hin nala lovang ke poy. He's only whatever happens, I don't want you to stop. Tisang as tis lenzo. Hoy lan ke poy nang adin wang stage zo sia fit ka ticho. American Got Talent hian lang X Factor hi jong le natup di.
Okay.
Nang adin nga hoy lai chai jong le. Nang adin nga cha bo na chu welcome hi ding ka akta sanin. Hung hapanin lang na control sa abula para chu ka ngai tin na control long hoy mama zingen. A timing song hat bai na miss bon na. There was one of my favorite song, a movie song chu ka vet no mahin na. X-Men pa na thoi long na le. X-Men apan. Allah song kehin a timing song na miss bon. You were so confident nang ading nga plus point ngene
Thank
keep
you,
it up.
sir. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Kim Nay Doy.
Okay.
Namin kazak hak nam khamunda kidem na tel khaya.
Ha?
Kidem na tel khak nam hiya.
Ha.
Koya.
Talent hana le tin star le.
Tin star mo namin kazak hak nam mai chu Kim Nay Doy. Ka. Kagien no penchu mi pite ron ki pa pia en tu ten mo. Fort taka hon applause lai wa kha nang pen na o na concentrate thau di. Mi pite dan dana ki pak taka na sak cha o control khalo jam the mo. Nang singing pen kha na concentrate din mi pite pen kha nang o ngai ai cha mo. Wai dan pan nan lak lai dio dena bang le mi ki ko le nang na o neng kha on sharp khajik mo ai ke flat an pai kha mo. Pil wang ma di. Okay. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, Resi. Mighty NRC contestant number 11 ama talent na bang perform din sa mahi.
The Mighty Energy. Okay, are you full of energy tonight?
What?
What? Is your energy full for tonight?
Yes.
Then are you ready to get your energy out tonight?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you're ready. Ale, nang prepare hoy nam? Prepare hoy? Really?
Yes.
Okay, then you better not mess it up, okay? Come on, good luck.
Thank you.
जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
जो तेरे लिए सादर बसे महफूज रहे तेरी हर सदा चाहे जाने ये रहे न रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से
Sir, iban laktiyo alom na nilaw di
lom de ko me abang hile iban teo chile ba bel phot tang o kamal te iban lak teo kha choi khom te mu le
Palena tin tin pa te na je
spot. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn scene. Yeah!
Na hin gel sing sing gen thei ke ma vang na hana demo lung sir me khoi nan ma lung sit na in alo dim lung sung na hana demo kait pe me khoi vana leng le va cha na dang ang cha tin nei hin gel do in na kinap na ahong sa dai khatin dòng lệ nay hin nung vết in nang nang nga zing na nghe an na kine mi nghe nay na gel to zingin lang an nga zing na nghe
Mighty.
Yes, sir.
An atop laman na energy ba ya le. Nagim si ma.
Atop lam chikigim si
Na min la mighty energy nga la. Atop lam ka energy ba dia ma. Chen na khon nong jang mo. Nong lu to kan gui te kwal khong a lo kon te khong snon na sa ke voi.
A poi se ke.
Gui te kwal khong ki lu che mo lo kon te mo chi dan ong ki van khang. Lo la kon hin.
Kwan kha ha.
Uziam thang lo ya le pang hin. Mo siapa igal yang kapkin mo atop lama kah broken heart dewang zo abang ile nagyal danto lam bang len siapa mo nong lu tengah bang bang kuak khom na do ka chile zop kat net khong bang sim mo na kuak khom teng ka na thao bang khon nan me gina dum ma chale dum khon na chino ka na chi na chilo abang hele I agam ting non kopa mo tua I na round ka round poi mo ma inchin I nang dan tua na perform dan mo na mix dan de te kha yai round de te ma he chi kon ki pa pi ma yo koi lo.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mighty energy.
Yes, sir.
Masa pen penin kala nong lam zen ki patu kan sen.
Thank you, sir.
Na team mo boy na. To be honest, tu zan bang chu I'm not that impressed.
Yeah, poi lo.
Okay, I'll tell you the reason. Okay, a reason masa pen choil abul achun you act as a like nation eho national anthem ong nan playing na chule like eho India adinga war tidia sepe hota nong kivonin na inesan no igam sunga ngai luma ma dan nong kivonin acting na hin bolen hi jong le na lam lo cho lam lo na ki mo chai acting na mo chai jing na asi nang ma category nang ma skill talent chele lama hi in acting na so ding hi poin lama na so ding chu ka dein na ke chun ka gyal da na chu hi cha anthem ong ki la pe na bola mai than na ka ba ban le nong thi a bana nong lam dem ka ti hin khutila chu emotion chu ma ding mi zo sil no to kha din na lamin te na ti ka ti lai ta in nan mo nga kidin acting hilawang chu you were so good acting wang na thiam ma jing ni jong le I feel like there was less dance na lam cho tam beset point chu le musicality ti nga hele a beat chu le number counting 1 2 3 ti ho jang beset point na I really believe you can do much more than this. You got the energy, expression jong ahoyin. So le offer ka kan pi nom chay le film kain bolting lewang chu actor anong zau te te de asi yom pa acting lang chu okay good luck all the best
Thank you.
Contestant number 24 S Joshua Lalchin Thang amai samahi.
Hello Josh.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Doing good.
Ah,
Okay. I believe you're prepared well, right?
not that much.
Not that much. Okay, then tell me why again.
Because I have body cramps.
Oh, body cramps. Oh, you did not work out well. Come on, man. That's sad to hear, man. Last time you did so good, and I'm really expecting you to do much better this time. Okay? IBPG Tale, I want you to give your best, and I believe in you. So, build your confidence well and perform well.
Sir.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. Like you should. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch, better have my money. Twice. Let me see how you gon' treat me. Ain't no easy, but think about it twice. Let's dance the night away.
Siam lo mo ki hot z mai chu. Tu na judge ni lama pa ni na comment na ngai khedi.
想那么认真说，个老板帮着，姐姐们，妈个帮着别他们就听了，啊，step 那 kick 那个，姐姐们，นี่ดังนั้นลามเลยกับสเตจกันกันมันเสียละมั้งนั่นนัก improve ล้วน
Thank you, sir.
เสียมล้วนไหมนู่นมีโอ้โหนู่นเจ๊ของจมูกสักกี่ของกูจะด่าเนี่ยตอนนั้นลามด่าจะถึงสิสักกี่ลามสักเช่นดิก็มันพะโล้เดวินนักล้วนอ่ะสเต็ปสเต็ปตอนมาเฮียมั้งbakal banga crowd la select music talent na siyam ve ya ala phuak tu bang ani na pen ya anong lama ala phuak tu pau mele kilom phia la na zui dup dupon chen mo mi the de bang len nan tel chang mo oi bang ka le poi mo oi baka banga na confuse lo
Thank you, sir.
confuse pen ma ne ve oi la
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Lalam kong ay tayo le. Agu nei lo hin la kong taken. Gu chula nei mo.
Nei.
Gu nei lo gu la hong lama. Mzi gu lam kha fu ka sama ma zinga. Kay mit eta chun ai wang chu kay chu lam thiam lo ka he sang sang bo buk ti lo. La lam thiam na te he kamuin tununga le mi te adinga nasatak maya phat chum na hong theidin kong mu kong song tak jate ka ki pake
sir.
Josh.
Yes, sir.
You light, man.
Thank you, sir.
Kang prepare po na tiya. Ko banga hoy ta na hin ball chu. Zong na sei cho. Kasi nom cho hile kasi sa zong itanti na mas langa chu. Nang hi na movement hoy ahoy na azi chu na lam ball hi abay bisit po ni zong le na lam ti nga hile smooth head in adi a first na lam pen chu alam in bit ade.
This is me.
This is me. Ti pen chu the beginning was so good.
Thank you, sir.
Abanting le kain ses nong kachoy le sta banga slow song na soft lang ho zong hina ball se ben lang kagin chat sangin I think masanga sanga chun you're like one step more na adi chu nang ma soft lang zong na hin so in chule heart lang zong na hin so in na style ni ka muin emotion nang ni ka muin na so that's a very good thing for you and I wish you the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Contestant number 16 ama talena na ibang bang perform din sa mahi.
Hello.
Hello.
Dam mo.
Dam.
Na music ma zik zum na lai mo. Mi pitin. Na so zo jing vela nang komang zil the ne ding kan mi pi lung tim che chang lamang din perform le.
Okay. For my first performance, I need a volunteer, so just a split. Can I please come down? Okay, thank you. This box contains an imagination, and if you believe in your imagination, then it can come into reality. And as you can see, this box, sir, can you please cover with your hands? Cover with your hands. Keep on talking. And make sure that the box, no one touch it, right? And your job is to guard that box until the very end of my performance. Can you do that? Okay. Tun ya card so mamo. Bon ki bang lo mala. Tun sir nang khat na chu si yo. Ke bang lo mala. Okay. Tonight I have come up with something that you might have never seen before. I have two Rubik's Cube right here, and these Rubik's Cube are one of the world's most selling. And now I'm gonna be solving them. But I want to take this one step further. I'll be solving them blindfolded. Sir, you just pick a card before, right? Yeah, now have a look at your card. Okay, show it to everyone. Everyone, show it to everyone. Meeting tingin sakyo. Sir, so thako meeting tingin sakyo. Sir, hua box pen hi le imagination hi mo. Imagination pen itak sanai le atak taka zong lum the hi mo. Ho je ka hua box imagination sonom pen atak tai believe ngai du je. A box pen hong kio. A box pen hong le. Asunga paper khalong ho mi pen meeting tagin sakta du. Akar zongo. Thank you, everyone.
Ano nga yun ya mo box pento kalompan ado khiak pen kibang.
Yes, sir.
Bang bol khom na tay jong ki thei lo ko jong lung boy giap ka ve le keng do de le hwa nakat so sunga na music play ko bang music a chi chok ka do di mai ta ve le
Umi chu cha YouTube la ka mo.
la le de ko si na thil hi khun mi zo talwa ka chi nai mo abang le hong te de wang le chen hi sang a chu pa thian jong hiam zo mai the ni chi lang ki gen the ga ale gen khala ngai da ben la mo min lunin a the no phadung dong le ki long
masanga kasi bang achun
Yes, sir.
kart lang ho na hinahabol ta point na ruchingi one step farther na hinla sao bein chiva ichipen jo na hin solve in ipitade amin chu kai mile
Rubik's Cube.
chipen jo na hin solve in I think there was really abula chu I thought like na khot in abahar na ka yel cho na asike na chu na khot lang ka na in mix to tambi ta ben mix to chiva wang chu I already don't know how that was really impressive.
Thank you,
You
sir.
did great.
Thank you.
So teng lak laka ka nga isang pin ka magic so hin chen wai nang nan so khak jen na to ka ki pang ma mai.
Thank you. Kayong kipang.
En nop ta kon so sakza kina ma tong ki pathui ge na heu tu pa muan hang zo zai la siam ta ga no isak ji na amai samahi mi pe de khut peng chan ni o
Mai no me.
Competition round beta mo wala contestante bolon
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा वो हम नवाज न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा तुम देना साथ मेरा वो हम नवाज
Ektorin pangdiao mo
हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ो ना मेरा हाथ
Numelam come on
ओ चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ो ना मेरा हाथ
anyone
न कोई
सिवा मेरा साथ मेरा मुहम्मद जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा मुहम्मद
Aching te ipuang masaduam Golden Bazaar te ipuang masaduam Golden Bazaar mo. Okay. Kwa din naging tawale. Khatway thak kwa din naging taw. Okay, Golden Bazaar ading ha just te na mak apiak sang penu mi thum Aoma mo nominee mi thum aoma white te laka khat ina Golden Bazaar nga ding hi. Number 1 ha Joseph Samte Lalmuan Thang Joseph Samte amale list Golden Bazaar ading ha nominee khat hi ha a nominee ni na hi le kwadi Jos Lalmin Thang Cookie Illusionist Athum nala Athum na kha Mr. Hey Miss Resi Kim Nei Doi Athum na Okay Wai teng thum kha ahia amau teng thum kha hia achile kwa pen amau teng thum la ka kwa pen din naging ta wale mi pite audience ten hon gen wale come on kwa min pen ale Okay achile host Tabitha Kasamdia aman Golden Bazaar kwa tunita ka Tribal Got Talent first elimination round ha direct top 10 lun na ding ha Golden Bazaar anga tu pen amin hon gen dina
Kapuang tadi ami pite nengang lau ya dunia Golden Bazaar mua hiale Resi Kim Nei Doi
Hon pahen lan Okay Tua kha next second elimination round atel thei ding te selection nga te amau Alice puang khyang na Tabitha mai non nei non he
Next elimination round na chingdi te hailama on pai khadi na kasama hi ama sapeni na David Go contestant number 18 halaman pai din kasama hi Mipide khudra peng sa ding o Next adi gina Thangsuan Guite contestant number 31 Aba na ding ina Alex Lalram Chuloy contestant number 9 Aba na ding ina Joseph Samte contestant number 38
Joseph Samte
Aba na ding ina Thang Kim Lo contestant number 30
TK Thang Kim Lo
Aba na ding ina Thang Min Lal Vai Pei contestant number 1 Aba na ding ina Vin Simte contestant number 32 Aba na ding ina Thang Sian Nim contestant number 26 Aba na ding ina Mighty Energy contestant number 11 Aba na ding ina Joshua Lalchin Thang contestant number 24 abana ding ina Jos Lalmin thang contestant number 16 wai tengai
ตัวอามาเต็งข้าหิตายัย tribal got talent alas na last audition pe na kha on spot registration ki bol hin chin wai ja ka organizer lama pata late dewa kha application tam pi hon lu dei changa contact number tam pi ki kai khom zo ke ya wai ja ka kha contestant te kya nga hwai ni kho nga hon pai teng teng kya nga kha na lom teu kya nga hon na thei khak teu kya nga organizer te number la un lan wai chang a hon ki nge nun lan group a et ding chi khonga ki ge na wai chang a organizer lam pangale rush lotel la hi chang a ahun hun a marks calculation to adu da khong a hi zia ka dei banga lungtun huai taka fail fight taka ki bol thei cha lo a hi na mi pi te le contestant te ina nona thei siamu khange na hilele tunita ka hon tel khanon lo te chu anon chianga dia wagwang kha hon hak sanon de hi tak ja kina na thei siam na u avelina kon nge no na twale group a om khalo khat jek jek khong a om kha ka a hi a le le hon ki report di na hon ki ngen lai hi atunga ma pata na om kha ke wale no wina hon approach me un ki chitop maya ki request ho hi ja ka wai bang kha a hi ja kina iki thei siam vek ni wai lampanga kon gen no ma hi dia wai ba na contestant te kya nga ka gen no pa hi le iso kha competition kha hon sang hi hi ta dinga hi a den lama just have to pa min lun hang mi na gen banga kha originality kha poya poimo hi a mo YouTube khonga nal deu pi na va mu khongu va cover zwal va hi zwal wai pen kha no phwa tom le no creativity om non lo hi a bang chi to kin siam le le na score kha dei banga om lo di mi pi ten ana ente TV khong ana enten kha asiam ne khong hon chi di hi le le just hiya ya imai wa just somte kha a professional tak takai zia kwa kha cover hiya hi kele ama originality apota chi theilo tel hin chin wai ja ka mi pi te audience te mudan to just te mudan kha kibang thei nge nge lo hi a wai ja ka no le hon ha panun lan la sate hi tale magic show hi tale lam te khong bang hi tale chin le nak pianon panwa unique dewa hi tribal got tale ni chi kha tribal laka tribal youth laka a talented pen chi na na hi dinga hi ja kun kha white title nga thei dinga hi na tak tak na nei na hi a chi kha hon ki ngai tawn lan pan nak pia hon la dina group A hi wa jing chiang a off ding wa jing chiang ina practice nak pin hon ki nei ding wa jing hal chiang a ama round om non ding tunia hon pailo teng teng group B team pen kha jing chiang a dagoka yai mun ma kidem na om non ding a hi coordinator panina dei sak na le nget na kon bol hi
tuni ta ka hai contestant te wap dia don pai ja kuna na ve kwa tunga ki pa thu kan ge na hi